Okay. It sort of turned into a blizzard. Still got a fire going. Woo-wee! It's getting hoo-weed now, guys. Even the dogs don't want to come out. I'm going to put this away because Titan doesn't need it anymore. So I'm going to show you really quickly my diesel heater. So there it is. It's not running right now, but I have a little tarp on it because it's I just don't want it to get, I don't know if it's gonna hurt it, but so I also got solar panels. So before the time runs out, I don't know, I think I'm only allowed 60 seconds at a time, but here we go. Yeah.